Hi guys, thank you for checking this new video. I want to talk about snare drums today and how to make them sound better. In this case, I have a snare drum that by itself sounds very thin. Let's listen to it by itself. And with the track. So what we can do is we can layer that snare drum with different other percussion sounds to make it a bit fuller in the spectrum. And what I've done in this case is I've doubled it with a hi-hat, open hi-hat, with a clap, 707, and with another clap inside a reverb. And I've placed those around the same time that the snare hits in the MIDI clip. And what we get then is a bit fuller sound, as you can hear, as opposed to this. Also, I've added two kind of quirky other sounds to add a bit more character to the snare, so they're sounding at the same time as well. And when we listen to all of those sounds together, it sounds like this. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tip. Let me know what you think. I'm always interested to hear you guys' music, so keep sending it. If you guys would like to see more videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe over here. Have fun making music and be creative. Bye.